cattle grid problem. It is about a herd of cows eating grass. It tells you the number of cows. It also tells you how many grass a cow can eat in a day. And it will ask you how many days it takes these cows to eat up all the grass. Well, when you hear me saying this, I guess you are probably thinking, hey, teacher, it sounds easy. Since it tells me the number of cows, and it also tells me how much grass a cow can eat in a day, then I can just find the amount of grass all the cows eat in a day. Then I can just solve the problem by using division. Just calculating the total amount of grass in the grassland divided by amount of grass all the cows can eat in a day. Then it's done. So easy. As a matter of fact, this cattle grid problem was first raised by Newton, the greatest mathematician in the history of mankind. So as you can imagine, probably this problem should not be so easy. So what makes this problem complicated is when the cows are eating grass, the grass is also growing. Now, as you can see, these cows are eating grass. Suppose the grass is not growing, then the amount of grass in the grassland will just keep decreasing as the cows are eating them, right? However, in reality, the grass is growing every day, every minute, and every second. So as you can imagine, the amount of grass in the grassland will not decrease so fast when the cows are eating them because the grass is also growing. And suppose the grass is growing fast enough, the amount of grass might not even decrease at all. If the grass is growing faster than the cows are eating them, it's even possible that the amount of grass will be actually increasing while the cows are eating them. So these kinds of problems are made complicated by the growing grass. Well, I've said a lot already. I believe you couldn't wait to see a real problem. Now let's quickly see a real one. Joe, can you read this problem, please?
There is a grassland where the grass grows at the constant speed. 27 cows can eat up all the grass in grassland in 6 weeks. Alternatively, 23 cows can eat up all the grass in 9 weeks. Then how many weeks would it take 21 cows to eat up all the grass?
Okay, thanks. Now let's analyze the problem carefully. So there is a grassland where the grass grows at a constant speed. Firstly, what does constant speed means? Grace, what do you think constant speed means?
Regular speed.
Yeah, regular speed. So that means each day, the same amount of grass newly grows, right? It's not possible that in day one is the weather is too hot, too sunny. So only 3 million pounds of grass grows. And in day two, it's raining, the weather is good for grass growing. So 5 million pounds of grass grows. And in day three, the weather maybe even better. So 7 million pounds of grass grows. No, it's not that case. It's not that way. Constant speed means every day the same amount of grass grows. If in day one it's 3 million pounds of grass, then it has to be that every day 3 million pounds of new grass will grow in the grassland. Okay, so that's what constant means. Then 27 cows eat up all the grass in 6 weeks. Here, 27 cows. You may wonder, hey teacher, are these cows the same? Are there fat cows? So they eat a lot. Are there thin cows and they eat much less, or maybe there are monster cows, maybe there are baby cows. Well, you are probably right if you think that way, like we have all kinds of people. There are certainly all kinds of cows. However, we cannot consider all the details. Otherwise, it's not possible to even solve any math problem. Since we are working on the math problem, you have to ignore those details. Just assume all the cows are the same. Suppose all these cows eat the same amount of grass in a day, okay? And also, it says these cows eat all the grass in 6 weeks. So 6 weeks, we also have to assume that every day the cow eat the same amount of grass. So it's not like in day one, the cows are in good mood, and in day two, the cows some cows feel bad, and or maybe their stomach hurts, so they eat less than usual, and some days they eat more. No, we cannot consider all those imaginative details. Just assume all these cows eat the same amount of grass every day. Okay? Okay, so far everyone's clear. Any question? Anyone has any question? Okay, nice. So let's move on. Since we assume all the cows eat the same amount of grass every day, we can say that the amount of grass a cow can eat in a day is a unit of grass. However, a unit does not necessarily have to be about a day. Like in this current problem, it is 27 cows can eat up all the grass in the grassland in 6 weeks. So it mentions weeks. It's not 6 days, it's 6 weeks. So we can say that the amount of grass a cow can eat in 1 week is a unit of grass. At the end of the day, it's all up to you. It's all up to you how to define a unit. Whether you should consider the amount of grass for a day is a unit, or the amount of grass in a week is a unit. It all depends on how to make it easier to solve the problem. Got it? Okay, so far everyone's clear? If you have any problem, you can interrupt me anytime, okay? Okay, now, since we have defined the amount of grass a cow can eat in a week is a unit, then how many units of grass 27 cows can eat in 1 week? Jenny, do you know that? How many units of grass 27 cows can eat in 1 week?
You 27 divided by 6.
No, not 6, not 6 weeks. I'm asking, how about the 27 cows eat in 1 week? Remember, what is a unit? A unit is the amount of grass one cow eat.
6?
No, it has nothing to do with 6 yet. I'm not talking about the 6 weeks. I'm only talking about 1 week.
Oh.
Okay, 1 week. 1 week, 27 cows can eat how much grass? How much unit? A unit is 1 cow eat in 1 week. How about 27 cows eat in 1 week? Maybe you need more time. How about Rory? I see you raise your hand.
I think it has something to do with the total units, but then my idea just slipped out of my mind.
Slap out. How about I see Terrence? You also raise your hand.
I thought it was like 162 divided by 27. Then I thought a little bit more than I thought.
Oh, this table, will come to this table later. But right now, let's do it step by step, okay? do it step by step. Now I define the unit is the amount of grass one cow eat in 1 week. Now I'm asking you, how about the 27 cows in 1 week? How many units? Now, for the time being, forget about this table. Don't look at this table. Because this table is for something later. Right now, just step by step. The first step, let's understand what a unit means. A unit is 1 cow eat in 1 week. Now I'm asking, still in 1 week, but 27 cows can eat. Oh, okay. How about 2 cows? 1 cow can eat 1 unit in 1 week. How about the 2 cows? Rory.
2 units.
Yeah, 2 cows eat 2 units. Good. How about the 27 cows?
27 units.
Yeah, 27 units. Okay, good. So how about other students? Anyone has a question for this? So because 1 cow eat 1 unit in 1 week, okay, that's how we define unit. Unit means the amount of grass 1 cow eat in 1 week, okay? So 27 cows eat 27 units, okay? 2 cows eat 2 units in 1 week. 3 cows eat 3 units in 1 week. 4 cows eat 4 units. Then 27 cows eat 27 units, okay? How about Jenny? You understand now why it's 27 units? You understand now?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. Do you understand what unit means? You can define it anyway. You can define the unit is the amount of grass, like 10 cows eat in 10 days, 10 cows eat in 100 days. You can define the unit any way you like. However, it has to make sense, right? If you define it like 10 cows eat in 1,000 days, you can, but it doesn't make sense. If you make it not possible to solve the problem, so it doesn't make sense, then you shouldn't do it that way. Just make it simple. A unit means the amount of grass 1 cow eat in 1 week, because this problem is about weeks, right? So 1 cow, the amount of grass 1 cow eat in 1 week. Then how about the 2 cows eat in 1 week? Maybe it's easier for you to understand if I give you a specific number. Like 1 cow can eat like 10 kilograms in a week. Or maybe this 10 kilograms doesn't make sense, but it doesn't matter, just to be able to understand the problem, okay? So suppose 1 cow can eat 10 kilograms in 1 week. How about the 2 cows? 2 cows can eat 20, right? If 1 cow eat 10 kilograms, then 2 cows can eat 20, right? Yeah. Then how about the 27 cows? It should be 270 kilograms, right? Yeah. The more cows, the more grass they eat. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you define the unit is the amount of grass 1 cow eat in 1 week, then 27 cows have to eat 27 units of grass. Okay, how about other people like Johan, Terence? You all understand?
Yeah.
Grace, Justin, Danny.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, Alisa.
Same.
Alisa, you understand? Danny.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, then my next question. If we know 27 cows can eat 27 units in 1 week, how about the 27 cows eat in 6 weeks?